In this video, we're going to learn all about GitHub pull requests. A pull request is a way to submit your changes to a project you've worked on locally and propose those changes to the original project on GitHub. It's essential for collaboration, whether you're contributing to an open source project or working with a team. We'll walk through what a pull request is, why it's important, and how to create one step by step using the command line. Let's dive in and get started. First, we need to clone a GitHub repository to our local machine using the git clone command. To do this, click the code button and copy the provided link. Now open VS Code or any terminal, type git clone followed by the link you just copied, and hit enter. Git will start downloading the repository, and in just a few seconds, the process will be complete. Now we have the entire project on our computer, ready to make changes. Next, I create a new branch where I'll make my changes. Creating a separate branch ensures that any modifications won't affect the main branch until they are reviewed and merged. Once the new branch is created, I switch to it so that all the changes I make will be isolated to this branch. Then, I go to the Source Control tab in VS Code to show that we are now working in this new branch, ready to make updates. After switching to the new branch, I make a small change in the main.py file. Once the change is made, I stage the modified file so that Git tracks the update. The git add dot command stages all the changes made in your project, including new, modified, and deleted files. It prepares these changes to be committed. However, the changes are not yet part of the Git history until you commit them with git commit. Then, I commit the change with a message describing what was added. In the terminal output, Git confirms that the commit was successful by displaying a message that says, one file changed, one insertion, one deletion. This means that one file was modified with one new line added and one line removed. Now the change is officially recorded in the branch and ready to be pushed to GitHub. After committing the changes, I push the new branch to GitHub so that it appears in the repository. At the top, GitHub detects that a new branch has been pushed and shows a Compare and Pull Request button. This means that a change has been made and is ready for review. Clicking the button takes me to the pull request page, where I can see all the changes I made, including the modified lines in main.py. Here, I can review my updates and add a description before submitting the pull request. Once everything looks good, I click Create Pull Request, which formally asks for the changes to be reviewed and merged into the main branch. Now, to finalize the update, I click Merge Pull Request, and then confirm by clicking Commit Changes. At this point, GitHub permanently applies the changes to the main branch. To verify, I go back to the repository and check that the code has been successfully updated. The new feature is now officially part of the project. This workflow is essential for collaborating on projects and keeping code organized. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to explore more Git and GitHub features to improve your workflow. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more coding tips. See you in the next one.